Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get SHEIN points quickly and easily. Stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips to maximize your points and save more on your next purchase. Let's get started. The most straightforward way to earn SHEIN points is by shopping on SHEIN website or app. For every dollar you spend, you will earn one SHEIN point. But here's the catch, you must confirm the delivery of your order to get the points. So once your package arrives, do not forget to hit that confirm delivery button. Just keep in mind that points will not be awarded for taxes, shipping, or any extra fees. And if you are new to SHEIN, you can earn up to 100 points just by confirming your email address after you sign up. It is an easy way to start building your points balance. And if you love sharing your thoughts on what you bought, you can earn up to 17 points per review. Here's how it works. Writing a review alone gets you 5 points. And if you add a product in your review, you will get additional 10 points. And if you include the size information, you will earn 2 points. So bringing the total to 17 points per review. SHEIN also offers various activities and promotions within the app where you can earn more points. So keep an eye out for these opportunities to boost your point balance. And do not forget to check in daily on the SHEIN app. It is a simple and quick way to earn points every day. Be aware that SHEIN points do expire, so make sure to use them before the expiration date. You can check your points balance and expiration dates by clicking on this profile icon, and here you can see this point section. Click on it and here you will find your point balance. You can use your SHEIN points to get a discount on your next order. This can cover up to 50% of your total purchase price. When you use your points, the ones that are closest to expiring will be used first. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.